What is digital marketing? Who needs to sell something today? Everyone. And everyone needs a digital marketing expert. At VLA, you will become that expert, mastering branding strategies and the customer lifecycle in the vibrant field of digital marketing. Does the industry require professionals with this profile? Absolutely. From startups to multinationals, all companies are looking for professionals who can navigate the complexities of digital marketing and drive their growth in the global market. What kind of companies might hire you? From digital marketing agencies and consultancies to your own startup. Digital marketing skills open doors in virtually any sector that wants to enhance its online presence. What will you learn in the VLA Digital Marketing Certification? You will learn to create effective marketing strategies, understand and analyze your audience, and implement campaigns that not only attract, but also convert and retain customers. You will also master creating paid ads on Meta with the ADS Manager, as well as creating content for Reels or TikToks. How do you study at VLA? At VLA, our priority is that you learn to work. You will create real projects that prepare you for your job interview or for your startup. We offer free and unlimited tutoring and job search assistance through VLA. Jobs focusing deeply on the success and well-being of our students. See you in the virtual classroom.